This is a tutorial for your pole handstand, so ideally you will already have a solid handstand against the wall. You don't need to be able to balance it too much in the centre, you just need to feel that you can stack your body. So you can stack your shoulders on top of your wrists, your bum on top of your shoulders and your feet on top of your bum. Okay, a handstand is all about stacking, so we're just going to talk about that now in our body in relation to the pole. So when I go towards my handstand, I want to make sure my fingers are spread nice and wide like this, because this is the root of the handstand, it's the foundation. So that's step one. Okay, I'm looking for where my hands are going in relation to the pole. So I know that's the point. I think about a triangle. There is the point, there's the top point, hands at either side. So just measure that distance for yourself. You don't want to be too close to the pole because there'll be no space for your bum. You don't want to be too far away because then you'll tip. Okay, so it's really important just to measure that for yourself. So I'm looking for where the hands are going, and then once I do that, I want to just see if I can just kick up and try and hook the pole with my foot. So you will have done something like this with me if you did my beginners classes. We will have done it from a forearm stand. So if you haven't done that, go back and have a look. So we're there, up just a couple of times, trying to kick the pole, you're up. Okay, so once you're up, you want to be activated in your shoulders and lift your feet nice and high, there. And then if you feel okay from there, you can hook one foot behind, take your bum away and extend and back up, and then from there you could even take a V and slowly lower and come up. And that's your pole handstands, that's all there is to it. It's just measuring in smaller steps just for yourself, especially if you're working on your own, just how far away your leg is from the pole and how much you need to push to get up. So it's a really good way, to find out this information is to video record yourself and then look and offer feedback to yourself from there. So go play with it and enjoy.